turning these pages into awards. For the second year in a row, the May River High School yearbook staff has earned a national recognition. The class has been awarded the silver level in Jostin's National Yearbook Program of Excellence, a prestigious honor that celebrates the outstanding work by both the student team and advisor.
It means a lot because it means that our hard work is actually paid off and somebody recognizes us. It's really special when you can see oh, I made this and somebody recognizes it. So it means a lot to us.
Everyone felt so a part of the award because everyone pitches in and does their thing for the yearbook. So I think when we got the award, everyone was just happy and proud of themselves and their own personal work for the book.
To earn the honor, the team had to meet strict criteria, including meeting page deadlines and making sure at least 70% of the student body appeared in the yearbook at least 3 times.
Making the yearbook is definitely not an easy task. There's a lot that goes into it between the writing, the photography, the deadlines, the designing it. We make the page, we start off with a blank white page and we build it up from there with the photos, the designs, the templates, all of that. So a lot of people don't really realize that we do everything completely from scratch.
I think it's really nice to know that you've been able to create something. You get to see the final product and you're I did that, I made that up, and it kind of is really motivating and exciting to know that you were able to create something from scratch like that with a bunch of people you love and and all that.
The staff has also been featured in Jostin's Lookbook, a showcase of the best yearbooks nationwide, highlighting design, use of color, fonts, layout, and more. The staff works well together and is very proud of the yearbooks they're creating.
One thing I do like about being a yearbook is definitely the family that you create. Coming as a freshman last year, you didn't know anyone from a small school to a really big high school, and it just made me be close with people that I'll have been forever lifetime.
It's very much like a family-based class, so we help each other out, we make it work. It's really special to know that we're able to get it done together and meet those deadlines, make that thing that we can be proud of.
About 20 students work together each year to create the yearbook. At May River High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.